Welcome to another Toolbox. Today's topic is roots. Where you're grounded determines how you grow. Our origins give us strength. Like a tree planted firmly, deep roots allow us to face life's storms with courage. The deeper our values, the stronger our confidence. When you're grounded in truth, fear doesn't sway you. Knowing your roots gives you identity and direction. You walk in purpose because you know who you are. The Bible reminds us, rooted in faith, we remain nourished and unshaken, always growing in grace. This week, take time to reconnect with your roots. Let them remind you of your strength, purpose, and identity. Stay rooted, stay growing. See you next time on Saku's Toolbox Gold Nuggets, where we build character, live purpose, and repeat.